In this video, we'll cover stylish and practical solutions for adding more personality to your bathroom. From towel storage and bath mats, to makeup mirrors and bathroom cabinets. We'll review functional pieces to help pull your bathroom look together. From the master bath to the powder room. When styling a bathroom, less is more. Focus on a few tasteful additions and keep things as clutter-free as possible. To stay organized and add extra storage, consider a floor cabinet. This will provide space to store bathroom essentials. For storing cotton swabs and other necessities, create a grouping of canisters. You'll be able to see what's in them quickly to grab what you need. Take advantage of the space on the toilet tank as well. This is a perfect place for a decorative basket to store toilet paper and other necessities. Make a stylish statement by piling them into decorative baskets. You can fold them or roll them for a spa-like look. Find a plush bathroom mat to complement your towels. Popcorn chenille is a great option that feels warm and cozy on the feet, but is practical too. They are 100% cotton, which will absorb water quickly and dries fast. They are also machine washable and come in a variety of colors to match your towels or decor. Small magnifying mirrors for makeup or shaving will add a bit of hotel luxury to your bathroom. They come in freestanding styles, or you can screw them into your wall for added ease. When it comes to your powder room, focus on adding personality. It's a good place to have fun with the gallery wall. Display a collection of kids' art, family photos, or collages. Unify the art by placing it all in matching frames. Add a textured rug in a nubby natural fiber. Since moisture isn't a big issue in a powder room, you can be more flexible with the materials. Complete the look with a woven basket for trash, a vintage-inspired soap dispenser, and an elegant linen hand towel. When decorating your bathroom, remember to cut the clutter with stylish storage solutions. Add personality with bold accent pieces. Add spa-like elements.